Good day, everyone. We will present our topic entitled Education and Awareness Program on Computer Issues and Abuses of Cyberbullying and Online Harassment on Community Well-being. Aim of this study. The aim of this research paper is to explore how to education and awareness program can reduce the effects of computer problems and abuses in society. This program are seen important tools to prevent cyberbullying and online harassment and promote safe and responsible computer use.
Purpose of study. The purpose of the study is to highlight the importance of teaching digitally safety and responsibility, especially in school and communities in order to protect people and improve communities' well-being.
Introduction. In today's generation, computers and the internet are now essential in everyday life, being used for school, work, shopping, and communication. According to Anderson 2024, digital technology is so widespread that it touches almost every aspect of life, showcasing its great value. Despite its benefits, there are issues that come with digital technology such as human error, lack of digital skills, cyberbullying, and online harassment. The Assistant Secretary for Public Affairs 2024 notes that social media expose people's online actions to both friends and strangers, creating a lasting public record that can impact their reputation. Cyberbullying affects not just victims but can also harm the online reputation of the bullies themselves, leading to broader community issues. In addition, it is important to educate people about safe and responsible computer use.
Impact of cyberbullying and online harassment society. Cyberbullying significantly affects society and harm individuals emotionally, particularly children and teens, leading to feelings of sadness, fear, and isolation. According to COWE 2013, the normalization of such behavior can lead the increased acceptance of online abuse, further perpetuating the cycle of harassment. Communities may become divided, and social cohesion can deteriorate. Studies have shown that cyberbullying is associated with considerable negative mental and social consequences in children and young people, make it serious public health concern. Moreover, according to the author 2024, on the level of the community as whole, the presence of cyberbullying, politics, and society where young people are growing and forming.
Ethical concern. The prevalence of cyberbullying raises ethical issues including the principles of respect, privacy, and responsibility in digital interactions. According to the study of Hope et al. 2009, the dissemination of harmful content without consent violates individuals' right to privacy and dignity. There's a moral obligation for users, platforms, and society to address and prevent such unethical behaviors. In addition, according to International Journal of Innovative Science and Research Technology 2025, this study delves into the ethical and legal challenges posed by cyberbullying, emphasizing issues such as anonymity, jurisdictional complexities, and privacy violations.
Lost trust in technology. Continuous exposure to cyberbullying can lead individuals to distrust digital platforms. They may become reluctant to engage online, fearing harassment or misuse of their information. This is withdrawal can limit access and to beneficial online resources. And communities. According to COWE 2013, if platforms are perceived as unsafe or unresponsive to abuse reports, User may user may lose faith in their ability to provide a secure environment, impacting to the overall digital ecosystem credibility.
Education and awareness programs on effect cyberbullying. Education plays as a vital role in preventing cyberbullying by raising awareness about its nature and sequences, informing people through programs in school, workplace, and online platforms can help build a culture of empathy and responsibility. According to the study of Smith etc. AI 2018, showed that these educational initiatives are effective empowering individual to combat cyberbullying and promote positive online behavior. In addition, according to additionalapp.com 2023, schools are key in both preventing and detecting cyberbullying, and they can improve this, making the entire community aware of what cyberbullying is, its sign, and its impact. It is also important to provide a digital education teaching studies about online privacy, fake news, and making their digital reputation.
Conclusion. In conclusion, cyberbullying is a serious problem that harms young people's emotional and mental health. It spreads quickly online and is hard to escape. Education and awareness are important in preventing and reducing cyberbullying. When students, teachers, parents, and communities collaborate, they can create a safer online space and support victims. Addressing cyberbullying and other online issues is vital to prevent long-term harm and ensure internet safety. Teaching safe and respectful technology use is essential. Schools should continue to improve programs that teach digital safety and kindness. It's also important to research how cyberbullying affects mental health over time. Communities should set clear rules about online behavior and make it easier for victims to report bullying. By taking action in these areas, we can help make the internet a better and safer place for everyone.